Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
A texter wants to know about replacing a flat roof. There's 2 skylights original to the house. They don't say how old the house is, just original to the house. So if they're replacing the flat roof, let's assume maybe this is the first replacement. So fair to say probably 20 years, if not more.
Mm-hmm.
Should the skylights be replaced at the same time as the roof?
I would say it depends. You got to depend on what kind of skylights do you have, because there are skylights that do not degrade over time. Velux is one. There's a Solar Industries in Tucson makes some glass skylights. Those, glass, it doesn't matter how old it is. It doesn't degrade. I would say a large percentage, 50-80% of the skylights in Arizona are what we call an acrylic skylight. It's a plastic, and any plastic that's exposed to sun, I don't care how much UV inhibitors or stabilizers or anything else you have, it's going to fail over time. You're going to go up there, it'll crack, and it might be right now, and it might be in 10 years. If you have a reputable roofer, he's going to look at it, and he's going to be on the hook, at least for the phone call, to go out and assess it if that skylight cracks and leaks. So hopefully your roofer would be able to assess that and tell you whether or not to. But if it's an acrylic that hasn't been replaced in the last year or two, I would recommend doing it. If it's a glass skylight and it's in decent shape and the flashings around it are still sealed, then I'd say that you probably get away with not replacing it, because it should last, pretty much indefinitely.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.